Um, Now I have a question to ask all of you. Did you ever to watch Adventure Story? No. I know some people are ever and some people are no. But don't worry. Today I have a story to tell all of you, and I hope that all of you silent and enjoy to listen with me all together. And about the title that I take to show all of you today is a fine diver and a dragon. Do you know dragon? Did you ever to see dragon? Oh yes, like me. um, I never to see dragon first two. And but don't worry, now my friend tell all of us about the meaning of the story. So please invite Miss Soria to tell all of you about the story. So please clap your hand to her.
Five European divers were found on the Indonesian island of Sri Lanka. Most of people say they are very lucky to be alive. This island is home to Commando Dragon. The day before, they were diving from a boat near the island of Flores. This is an area of refuge, but it is also dangerous for divers. They often shark and strong Russian children. All parts of this diver were screaming.
Okay, can you listen? Okay, I know all the words that I say is easy. I hope that all of you can listen all together. And do you want to know how do diver fight with a dragon? Do you want to know? Okay, if you want to know, my friend can help you to know. Can help all of you to know. So please, Miss Sapwan, continue from Miss Soria. Okay. When they come at the gate, the best boss fall away. It some more out of the side. According to the captain of the bed, he has lost sight of the diver. They brought in the water for 12 hours with high waves and strong current. It was very difficult to swim. There was severe island but couldn't get floated. In the evening, they marked one last outpost. This time they remained to Red Island. Okay. Okay, now please invite Miss Kimmy to continue from this point. And so please silent.
But it has on tram straight out of the duct appear one of the dragon is Komodo dragon. Do not actually breathe fire as of course. But they are very big and strong and they have resting strike out and very dangerous. They eat any meat they can find. Even then, this dragon attacks right away the divers through that and it's an managed to fight it off. The next day it attacks again and again. That's struggling.
Do you know dragon name? After this, can you tell all of you? Do you know? Or maybe all of you don't listen because the dragon name is Komodo. Please silent and listen with me. I have any question to ask all of you. If all of you don't listen, when I ask all of you can answer to me. Okay, now please invite Miss Tari to continue.
Yes, thank you. The one day the didn't fall far of the dragon. They found some safety to eat, but no water to drink.
about the five diver has been missing for more than 24 hours. They were very tired, dirty and hungry, but other week they were alright. Yes, the end. Our story is the end, and finally I want to say something to all of you. I know we have a lot of mistakes, so please forget us and correct us. And I want to say thank you for your listening and please good luck all together. Thank you.